Officer Casey, Redlands Police Department. I'm currently the SRO at Redlands High School.
Officer Beck, Redlands Police Department. I am the SRO at Moore Middle School, Cope Middle School, and Clement Middle School.
Hey, I'm Officer Howard, the School Resource Officer at Citrus Valley High School.
Pedal is good. Alright, today we're going to be discussing the difference between e-bikes and e-motos and how to stay safe.
And the laws that apply to both.
Hey guys, Officer Howard here. What I have here is one of the e-motos or e-motorcycles. What you'll notice about this is it looks like a normal dirt bike, except it has an electric motor and no pedals and a throttle. Big thing about these is that they are not legal to be ridden on any roadway or sidewalk by anybody. They're only authorized for private property and off-highway vehicle parks. If you are riding one of these on a roadway or a sidewalk, it can be towed by law enforcement.
Hey guys, Officer Beck here. What I have here is an e-bike. These are allowed on the streets, and with depending on what class it is, can be allowed on the sidewalks as well. With class 1, it's going to be a pedal assist with a maximum speed of 20 miles an hour. Class 2 is throttle assist with a max speed of 20 miles an hour, and Class 3 is going to be pedal assist with a maximum speed of 28 miles an hour.
Officer Case here. Now we're going to go over some type of consequences you guys might have. When it comes to the e-bike, according to the California Vehicle Code, you have to abide by all the rules of the road, just like a vehicle. So if you're going the wrong way, running stop signs, in addition to not wearing a helmet when you're under 17, you could get a citation. Here at the e-motos, totally different story. This is technically an illegal vehicle. You ride this on the roadway, consequences could be impound a vehicle, citation, maybe even go to jail. One thing to remember, and the most important thing, is it's for your guys' safety. These e-motos aren't safe for the roadway for anybody. Whether you're really talented and skillful in riding the e-moto, other cars around you may not be. This is for your awareness and for your safety.
I know sometimes you wanna let go.